Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Mahida Miller, aka Becca. Was I got a request to do a sleep back video tutorial, and I know it's been a long time. I haven't been here for a while, but trust me, if I tell you what the video will be, then trust me, I'm so busy. But I'm here and I'm doing the feedback video. This is one of many requests that I've gotten. So stay tuned to watch this video. Yeah. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss another video. Share this video as well. Yeah. Sleep back. Stay tuned. I actually just put out some plaits. So I'm gonna comb up my hair to make it a little bit easier. Yep. I'm gonna take it easier for a second. Alright, so I have right here my water. I tip a little bit leave-in conditioner off in it. So this is just normal distilled water. This is my leave-in conditioner. Like, yeah, Kantu avocado hydrating repair leave-in. It's really good and it smells really great. And also I have right here my olive oil cream spray, just to, you know, touch it up and let it look shine. And I have my big Eco Gel. I love using the white one or the black cover one. My favorite. Those hold my hair gladly. Yeah, so let me just go ahead and do the sleep back. Yes. Pardon the noise in the background. This baby here, she's watching some cartoon. So my apologies. So I'm just going here. So the reason for this, using water in the ear, is to just give it a more soft, you know, it's just hydrated a bit, yeah. Because as you can see, my hair is dry, even though it's not dry, it's dry, right? I always have to use this just to hold on my ear, hold on my face, See, it's easier to comb up when you're up here. I'm also going to use some of the leave-in conditioner just to give it, you know? Yeah. The main ingredient I'm going to be using though is the Eco Gel. Yes. I'm going to come over here somewhere. And then after that, I'm going to just part in here. I think I'm going to do a center part. And believe me, my hair is really thin. So it's actually taller than longer. Sorry, longer. Here is longer. So I'm gonna go ahead. Try to do the center part. Let me just use this here because I can't see anything in the phone. Really. This doesn't really look centered, but I can go with this. I can work with this. I can work with this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this comb. I'm just gonna comb up the hair, that side, and the next side, this side. You know, this is separate the hair a bit. And then comb it back that way. And then brush it. You know, just to put it in place, basically. That's what I'm doing right now. Put it in place. Yeah. So now that it's in place and I'll shrink up and everything, I'm gonna use my Ica gel. I'm actually just putting it. There's a lot in there. Like, just put it around. I'm gonna grab like, what's this called now? I don't know what it's called, but this is the amount. Place it on each side at the same time. Yep. You have to use a lot of Ica gel if you want it to really slip back. And as you can see, my hair right now, my hair is actually curling up. It's because I have nice hair, like I do. Whoa, don't forget the middle part, guys. The middle part is very essential. The middle, up here, up top, middle, yeah. Now I'm gonna use, you can see the curl this one. I'm gonna use a brush, so just brush it in.
What we do here is go
the reason why you see the flakes is the leave-in conditioner, the whitening. It's not the Ica gel, it's the leave-in. But after a while, when it dries, there wouldn't be any flakes. So I'm gonna turn on the side. I'll turn the back around. Yeah, I hope you guys can see. What I'm using for right now is banana clips. I love to use this because I get a huge puff in it. See how easy that was? Now I'm gonna have to put in more Ica gel and then brush it again. And then I'm fine. Yes, I in particular, I have to use a lot of Ica gel because my hair is very stubborn. So I have to use a small brush to really fit it in per se. And as I said before about the flakes, it's not the Ica gel that's doing the flakes, it's really the leave-in conditioner because it's white. Yeah. But you don't really need to use leave-in conditioner, but you can if you want. It's not really a necessity. I'm gonna have to take over this one. Oh, hear about piercing. Anybody new piercing can relate to that? And it's just easy as this. Sleep back. Easy as this. I'm not really a fan of edges. I would do it sometime on my own time. Just keep brushing until you realize it's sleeping. And you can also use water to spray here. And just go a little finger coil so that you get a little curly, you know, fine. Yeah, like this, you know. Yeah.
Mommy, a picture on the
I'm doing it. Go back to the end. So this is my sleep bag, guys. I hope it will dry soon. When it dries, actually see, you know, how it really looks. So let me just hit a bit. I'm actually sitting down, spinning things. Hey, I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. So that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah. That was the quickest video ever. Was it? So that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Yeah, hit that post notification. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye.